You want success? You want the money, the fame, the girl of your dreams? Then get up and go get it. Yeah, it's that simple. Not easy, simple. You're sitting there waiting for the perfect moment. But life doesn't give out invitations. It doesn't send a limo. Life punches. Life kicks. And most of the time it knocks you flat on your face. But here's the thing. You're not done. You're down, not out. So what do? You stand up and you go. You want it? Then stand up and go. Nobody's bringing it to your doorstep. Let me tell you something from my own story. They told me I couldn't act. They told me I talked funny, walked funny. They said I looked like a nobody. They laughed when I wrote Rocky. They said, this guy's not a star. And maybe they were right. But I didn't sit and cry, I didn't beg. I stood up and I went. I took that script and I held on to it like it was my lifeline. I sold my dog just to buy food. Yeah, I was broke, I was beaten, but I wasn't finished because the dream was still alive. And as long as you're breathing, that dream can still be real, but only if you stand up and go. You want love? Stand up and go. You want change? Stand up and go. Stop waiting for someone to rescue you. Be your own damn hero. You say you're tired? It's raining. You're not feeling it today. Good. That's the perfect moment to rise. Because when you move through the pain, when you walk through the doubt, that's when you grow teeth. That's when you get dangerous. Stand up and go. Don't whisper. Don't beg. Take it.
Know it.
People love the fantasy. They love the idea of success, the movie version, the clean version. But what they don't see is the blood. They don't see the rejection letters. They don't see you sleeping in a car. They don't see you talking to yourself trying to keep the fire alive when the whole world's pouring water on it. But I saw it. I lived it. And you know what I learned? The world owes you nothing. You owe yourself everything. You want to cry? Go ahead. You want to scream? Fine. But when it's done, stand up and go. No excuses, no explanations, no waiting for someone to save you. You say, but I'm not ready. Nobody is. You think I was ready when I walked into those offices with my script? You think I felt powerful, confident? I was scared, I was shaking, but I moved anyway. That's the difference. Not the muscles, not the fame, not the name on a billboard. The choice to move, to act, to stand up and go. You've got a million reasons to stay down, but all it takes is one reason to get up. Just one. Maybe it's your kid, maybe it's your dream, maybe it's that voice inside you that refuses to die. Don't bury your fire under excuses. Light the damn world with it. Get up when you're tired. Get up when you're broke. Get up when they laugh at you. Because every time you do, you become stronger, and the world, it starts to listen. Not because you asked it to, but because you earned it. You want your dream? Then stand up and go. That's it. That's the code. Nothing fancy, nothing easy. Stand and go. I know what it's like to feel empty. To sit alone with your thoughts screaming at you, telling you you're not enough, telling you to quit. But you know what I learned? That voice in your head, it's a liar. It's not your enemy. It's your test. And there's only one way to pass it. You stand up and you go. Your mind will quit 1,000 times before your body does. Don't listen. I remember being rejected over and over. Told I was too dumb to succeed, too broke to make it. But I didn't care. Because I had this fire, man. This stupid, stubborn fire that wouldn't die. Every door slammed in my face, I kicked harder. Every time someone laughed at me, I worked longer. Every time I wanted to cry, I whispered to myself, stand up and go. You think it's too late? You're too old, too broken? Let me tell you something. There's no expiration date on purpose. You got air in your lungs. You got time. You might have wasted years. So what? Don't waste today. The moment you stand up, you change your story. No one's gonna read you a fairy tale. There's no music, no fireworks. It's you standing in front of a mirror saying, I'm not done yet. Then moving one step, one punch, 1 second at a time. That's how it works. That's how warriors are made. Not in the spotlight, but in the silence when nobody's watching, and you still get up and go. Listen to me. This world doesn't care how you feel. It doesn't stop for your pain. It keeps spinning, and if you just sit there, you get left behind. But you're not built to be forgotten. You've got something in you. Maybe it's quiet, maybe it's buried, but it's there, and it's time to wake it up. There's a beast in you, but you'll never meet him sitting down. You want your life to change? Don't write it in a notebook. Don't wish on a star. Get up and do something. Run until your legs give out. Work until your hands bleed. Fight until your doubt shuts the hell up. Because when you move, when you fight, when you rise, you become unstoppable. You think Rocky was just a movie? It wasn't a film. It was a message. A reminder that the world will beat you to your knees, but only you decide if you stay there. I didn't write that for the cameras. I wrote it for the people like you. The ones who are hurt but not broken. Tired but not finished. Alone but not lost. And if that's you, stand up and go. You've got one shot, one life. Don't crawl through it. You were born to fight, born to create, born to love, born to win. But none of it matters unless you move. No more waiting. No more crying over what didn't happen. No more hoping someone comes to save you. Be the one who saves you. Be the one who gets up when it hurts. Be the one who rises again and again. This is it. Right now. Stand up and go.